The spots on your belly. I like the way the spots on your belly. Okay, take the spot, lay down your back, put the spot on your belly. Okay, now, make it louder. Okay, ready? And everybody, here comes a big wave. Breathe in. The spot is a boat, and your belly is the ocean. So breathe in and make the boat go really high. Stick your belly out. There you go. I like the way you're on your back. Good job on your back. Good job on your back. Okay, now breathe. Okay, lay down your back. Lay down your back. There you go. On your back. Do what everyone. Look at everyone. See what everyone's doing? Lay down your back. Sit down. Sit. Okay, good talk. Okay, now breathe in. Make your belly big. Here comes a big wave. Make your belly really, really big. And now breathe out. And make your belly small. Pull your belly in. Good. Breathe in. Make your belly big. And breathe out. Make your belly small. Good job, Alexander. Nice job. Ready? Breathe in. Ready? Breathe in. Make your belly big. And breathe out. Make your belly small. One more time. Close your eyes. Breathe in. And if sometimes you ever want to relax and feel really calm, you can put something on your belly. You can put maybe a towel or a pillow, and you can practice this at home. So